Hi there, welcome back to the 15th video Learn Excel with Karpagam. In today's video we are going to discuss about yet another interesting features of Excel called as free span. What exactly a free span is? Let's get started. Let's say I have a huge amount of data which is available in front of me, which contains the country name and the respective year-wise data based on the employment and industry, based on this particular country and based on the year. What exactly now I want to do is, when I look into Afghanistan, I just want to see how much is that employment rate they have achieved during the year. Oh, come on, what's happening? You can see this is completely moving aside, and 2008 I will be able to see. But this is Afghanistan, but which country growth rate is 16%? I want to see. Which country growth rate is 11 point? I want to see. But the moment when I scroll through back, you can see that has vanished. This is how exactly we are in need of help of a free span. What you can do, already I'm in the View tab, you can go and click on free span, or you can use a shortcut called alt+W+F. Alt+W+F gets you to the view and you can go and choose whichever you are in need of. So even before doing that, where exactly I want to use my free span, this is what I want to show it to you people. When I say free span, you have to make sure that which is the data that you want to keep it static and which is the data you want it to be varying. For me, country name, country code, indicator name and indicator code should be constant, and starting from 1960 year onwards, the year detail I want it to be more. So what I'm going to do, let me go to free span, click on free span. You can see a line is inserted here. Let me go and unfreeze it. The line has vanished. When I freeze it, you can see automatically a line coming in. When I scroll through, you can see country name to indicator code will remain constant. You can see this is there. So which means I'm not allowing, by freezing the pan, I'm not allowing this data to move and only the year-wise data to move. This is one such special feature of Excel. It comes very handy for you and keeps your data static, and the data which you want to vary, that moves the data. And you can do this for anywhere. You can keep here and freeze it. For me, let's say I just want to see only the country name and not the country code. Then again, you can see this is what your static data, and you can freeze this one and say from this onwards it can vary. Okay, let me go and show you the next one. I'm unfreezing it. There are two more areas under the free span. One is called as a freeze top row. Let me go and show you how exactly this is going to work. When I click on freeze top row, you will be expecting that country name, country code and indicator and the rest of the other detail to remain constant, and starting from Aruba it should move. Let me show you what has happened. You can see the row 1 is only static. According to Excel, the first row is considered as the top row and first column is considered as the first column here. So whenever you want to freeze this particular data, you need to use only the freeze span and not freeze top row. Let me go and unfreeze it. Okay, now you can see this is completely gone. And when I go and say freeze top first column, you can see the line has come here, which means this is static and everything else will move. Only the country name. Yes. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more such informative videos. See you soon.